Sup everyone, this is Elijah of Financial Anatomy, and this is the place where you learn how to take control of your financial destiny. We're going to be covering the Venmo app and how you can add money to your account in this video. You want to start off by opening the Venmo app up and clicking on the person icon or the me icon in the bottom right hand corner. Once here, you'll see a button that says Manage. If you don't see this button, that means you'll need to complete the sign up process and add payment methods to your account, whether that be a debit card or bank. You can figure out how to do those things in the videos on the screen and also in the Venmo playlist. Assuming you've done those things, click on Manage and then click on Add Money. Once here, you have the option to add money from a bank, debit card, check, or direct deposit. We're going to be focusing on the bank or debit card, and the other methods are covered in other videos in the playlist that's linked in the description. Click on bank or debit card, and once here, just click on the card that's on file, and you can choose the payment method to which you'll want to fund your account using. Keep in mind that a debit card will be instant, but will have a fee, and a bank will take 3 to 5 business days. Decide how much you want to transfer. I'm going to transfer $5. I'll click on Next, then click on Add the Money. And boom, $5 has now been added to my account. That covers the process of how you add money on Venmo. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit that thumbs up if you found value in this video. This has been Elijah with Financial Anatomy. See you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.